good?
Sick. Looks really good.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, this is nice. I like that.
Oh, I love it.
Hello everyone, today I am in the secondary living room. This space has kind of just become a catch-all, but I do want to set up our Christmas village today. I'm going to be decorating this space and then the other living room, and hopefully if it doesn't rain, I will also be decorating and putting out some of the lights in the front yard. We've got these like little shrubby trees that I really want to wrap in some lights and have that as our outdoor decor. I'm really looking forward to having our Christmas village set up. This is one of Jared's favorite parts of the holiday, so I just want to have it all set up. I also have no idea how much of a Christmas village I actually have. A couple years ago I purchased a few pieces, and last year Jared's grandmother gave us a bucket of Christmas village items, so I have no clue what I have in that. And then I have just all kinds of things everywhere, so we'll see what we can do about this Christmas village. But first I need to clean this off and then we will get started. I have two small issues. The first is I have no snow, which kind of sucks. So I ordered some and it'll be here tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is lay everything out today and figure out where I want everything. And then tomorrow I'll go back and add the snow. The other issue that I have right now is that I don't have very many boxes. I like to do different elevations of my Christmas village, and I don't really have many boxes right now. I have this one and maybe like 2 or 3 other good ones that I can use. I can use the boxes that the actual village pieces came in, and I'll probably end up doing that, but for everything that's in this container right here, I don't actually have those boxes. We'll play around, we'll see how everything looks, because this particular shelf that I'm decorating on is like a 3-layer, so it may not need too much additional layering. I think the best course of action here is going to be to empty this and then lay out everything that I have so that I can kind of see what's what. I have a couple of trees, and I know that the village pieces that I have are mostly things like museums and shops, so excited to see what's in here. We have a bank. Wait, I'm very excited about these. I truly have no clue what is in this box. All the lights. Oh, I was so concerned about all of the outlets that I would need, but this, I didn't know that they made these. This literally just made my whole day. I was very concerned about where I'm plugging all this in. They come with multiple lights on one strand. That's brilliant. Plus I'm missing a couple of lights from my village stuff, so it'll be nice to have these additional lights. These are all very glittery. City Hall. Looks like a bridge of sorts. Wow. Oh my goodness. A bridge with some little, like a little river. This is very cool. I'm obsessed with these. I've seen these laid out at her house before, but I never I guess looked at each individual one. So it's cool to have, to be able to unwrap them and see each one. I have a couple of bars as well in the pieces that I previously purchased. So there is no shortage of bars in this Christmas village. Oh, a cute little house. That's a big house. There's a big old house. I am covered in glitter already. By the way, this is only one of the boxes that we will be receiving. We could only fit one box in the car that we rented last year, so I will have much more village to play with next year, and I don't know what I'm going to do with all of that. The train! I can't put my reaction to everything in here because this video would be a million years long. Oh my god, look how cute. I've never been more excited to actually decorate and put up a village. This is so fun. The goal here is to make it look like it's not very separate pieces of a village, right? I only have 2 houses. I think what I'm gonna do is start with some of my favorites and then a little landscaping. I think that's the start. I did find some snow, so I have a little bit of snow, but not a lot. That's cute. Seriously love this train so much. You know what? I think the train's gonna go up here. I don't know where it's gonna be housed yet, but it's gotta go up there. Okay, you can look now. Oh, I like. I don't have much snow right now, so I ordered some snow.
Cool. Very cool.
Thanks. Okay, it's a few days later and my snow sheets came in. They're actually quite thick. So what I'm going to do is see how much I need per each shelf and then just cut them. I'm not committed to them. This is a lot better feeling than that more loose just cotton that looks like snow. It should make for a little bit of an easier cleanup as well whenever I go to put the village away, whereas something as the cotton kind of just gets stuck on all of the trees and all over the villages. So I'm going to put this up and then I'm going to start plugging in some lights as well. And then our Christmas village is going to be done. I think covering this little back section here too is going to make it look like a little snowy hill, which is really cool. I like the effect that this has. For this section right here, I just plugged my lights in to make sure that everything was working properly before I go and put in snow. Whenever I put the village back together in here, I'll have the snow down already and then I'll just put the light bulbs into each individual house that's already in this section. I felt like that was the best process to make things more streamlined. There is a little hole in the back of the hutch where I'm just running the power through. This is something that was already there whenever we got the hutch. So it's pretty convenient for lighting the Christmas village. Moment of truth. Let's turn this on. See how it looks. Oh my god! I love it! Oh, I love this lit up. Wow. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. This is my first time ever decorating a mantle. I've never really had the opportunity before. I purchased this pre-lit garland from Hobby Lobby, I believe. It's 9 feet. I think it's gonna be way more than enough. But I want a very simple decoration on here, a little garland. I have this tree, a candle, and then I have like some candlesticks that I bought from the antique store the other day. We have this picture that like kind of just sits on the mantle throughout the year that came with the house that I really like, but it's not very festive or Christmassy. So I don't know if I'm necessarily going to put it back right now or just wait until after the holidays and then replace it. But I feel like a lot of my items are going to be very short and I'm not going to have a lot of height. So if that's the case, then I will just go ahead and add the picture back. But what I want to do is play with it, see how everything's starting to look. And then if I feel like I need to, I will add the picture back. I don't know how to hang this. I don't know how to hang this at all. That's okay. I was gonna try to drape it over the front, but I like it like on the top. Yeah, I think I want to do something like this. Just kind of. Wait, I like that. I'm afraid that if I touch this again, it's gonna fall. What do you think, Chewy? Do you like it? You know, I do want to put my picture back. I don't know, it's kind of springy. Let me do the candles first. Every year for fall and Christmas, I typically go to Bath and Body Works to get a bunch of candles. And this year I didn't get any for fall. But I did go for Christmas because Jarrett twisted my arm, of course, and told me that I should go get some. I typically just shop for him for the Christmas candles. So he's like, yes, you should go get some Christmas candles. And I got this one. It's called The Perfect Christmas. And honestly and truly, if I had to summarize what I think Christmas would smell like, it's this candle right here. It's so good. The fragrance notes are fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, toasted marshmallow, and natural essential oils. And I just love it. And then I also got this cute little container. It's a little train. I love it. Okay, I definitely need something here. Oh wait, I think it will work. I think this works. I figured we'd start at the top on this one and that is probably good. It's like gonna come down, you know what I'm saying? How did I think I was gonna do this alone? Reach! With the butt?
Maybe I don't want to.
Maybe not. A gentle talk. It's more like a handoff. They're already cold. Well,
Halfway.
yeah, she thought they'd be enough. But spoiler alert, she was wrong. Alright, well, go get some more lights. fingertips are frozen solid. And it's bright out here. But it's cool. I think the strands coming down are going to drive me nuts. But for now, we're going to work with it. And I'm really glad we found the icicle lights in the basement. So the icicles came with the house.
Plug don't work.
Oh no! Seriously? Oh, we're gonna have to put it inside.
Did everything except check that?
Yeah, I did.
Nope.
Well, damn. No.
La 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 la. La la la.
Ooh, ah, it works.
Roger that.
Beautiful.
And she off.
All right, thanks. A super sweet Instagram follower reached out and asked if I wanted her Christmas village pieces, so we did a quick meetup, and here's about half of the pieces that she gifted me. Next year, I'm going to have to figure out a much larger village solution, but for now, we have 2 villages. Thank you so much for these pieces, and I hope you like how I displayed them here.